Hey guys, if you want to recharge your Translink card, this one, you can charge it either online or either on the tram station. On the machine, just look like this. You just need to tap here on the screen to go to the add value, and you just need to follow the instructions over here. And select the money whatever you want to add, and you can pay by card here. And here's the FT-POS machine. You just need to pay by card, and then just insert your card inside or just swipe here, and then also follow the instruction again. If you want to see it, you can press yes, and if you don't want it, in case I want it, then the receipt will come here. Can you see it?